Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVGR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day, so a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 61 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price drops below 61, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, that definitely would be a big sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at this previous breakout point. And let me get this line here. And that sits right around the 54 cent mark. So again, 61 cents and then 54, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 61 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above the purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward here. The main point of price congestion right up around that 67 cent mark. So that will be public enemy number 1 going into Thursday. All in all, though, as far as what kind of really matters, and I say that because in my mind, in my opinion, resistance levels don't matter. And I say that because what really matters is what the chart's already been doing, and that is this right here, just building higher bases. As long as these higher bases continue to be built, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do over time. They drift upwards, and in this situation, kind of drifting, I'm defining as, just staying up above that 61 cent mark. But all in all, just keep building higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.